Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Alex Schofield. You can call me Sco, that's the nickname. It's also the acronym. Sell crap online, because that's what this channel is all about. Not sell crap as in like low quality cheap stuff, but crap as in anything and everything can be sold online nowadays, and it's the best. I've created multiple 6 and 7 figure online businesses that sell products and services, and so I created this YouTube channel to share how I've done that and how I'm doing that. And honestly, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I legit just want to share the information because it's good information, and I don't know, it's taken me a lot of work to figure out all this stuff. So I just want to share, legit just want to share. And if you can do me a favor and all of us a favor, share some of my videos, share my channel, that would be super appreciated by myself and also other people, because I know that these videos are helpful. They are real ways to make money online, and making money online can absolutely be a life changer. So that's why this YouTube channel exists. And what I really want to do with this video though is show you how to use my YouTube channel, because I've set it up strictly for education purposes, and there's just some things that I've done in some certain ways that you might not really notice unless they're explained. So hopefully you pay attention to this video. It's not going to be a long one, and learn how to really take advantage of the content that I've put on this channel. So let me just show you first real fast. First thing you can do is just go youtube.com/scoshow, and that'll bring you right to my channel. This is my channel here. First thing that you're going to want to do is hit that little red subscribe button and then click the bell. So how I've laid out this page here is this top row right here. You'll find my most recent uploads, and right here, popular uploads. And then it shows you the rest of my playlists. You can also access my playlist by clicking right here on playlists. And I would highly recommend that you use and watch my playlist. I know it's not the most common thing for people to know about playlists and use playlists, but if you come in here and look, I've organized all of my content for you. Because if you come in here and look at my videos, maybe it will confuse you a little bit, because I've got like a video on Instagram, then on Amazon, then on different ways to make money online, then on Facebook ads. And the reason that is because I actually use all those things and have used all those things. And the way I look at it is like, I'm an online marketer, and I want to know how to use the best online marketing tools. So that's why there's kind of a variety of different videos. But what I've done is, if you come over here into playlists, like if you're only interested in Instagram, say, you can come over here and there's a playlist that I've organized for how to grow, monetize Instagram. And then right here's a playlist on how to sell on Amazon. And then right here's a playlist for different ways to make money online. There's Facebook ads, and there's chatting with subscribers. There's Kickstarter.com crowdfunding, and then here's a full course for Amazon FBA. And every time that I upload a video, almost every single video that I upload drops into one of these playlists. So if you have a certain topic, a certain interest, this is where you can come and find the list of all the videos that are based on just that interest. And you can click into the playlist, say this Amazon FBA one. I'm gonna break down how I went. And if you look over here on the right, you've got all my Amazon videos in one playlist. And that's actually it. There's not much more to explain. I just wanted to show you how to subscribe, because you need to subscribe and you need to click that bell and enable notifications. But more importantly, I honestly wanted to show you the playlist, because I don't think a lot of people know that that's there. But those playlists are organized under each certain topic. And so if you don't know which one you're interested in, I'd probably recommend first starting with ways to make money online. Start there, listen to some of those, and kind of see what's maybe a way of making money online that interests you, and then come dive deeper into one of these playlists. Like I said, if you want to learn Facebook ads, here's the full playlist on that. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, full playlist on that. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the channel. I'm not super great about asking for engagement and comments and all that, but please do comment. I do respond to all the comments and ask questions. Hit me up on Instagram if you want to direct message me. Legit, I love this stuff. Online business is amazing. I love it. So anything I can do to help you, just let me know.